Ever feel low, sluggish, or just off, and the first thing you grab is a sugary snack? Stop. What if I told you the fastest, most effective way to change your mood isn't in a pill, but on your plate? Health professionals are finally confirming what we've suspected. There is a deep, direct connection between what you eat and how you feel. Today, we're diving into the science of the food-mood connection and revealing some power foods that are basically a happy pill for your brain. Think of your brain like a high-performance car. The fuel, nutrients from your food. These nutrients are the essential building blocks for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that control your energy, alertness, and overall mood. If you're running low on these key nutrients, like omega-3s, B vitamins, or zinc, your brain literally cannot make enough of the feel-good chemicals like serotonin or dopamine. In fact, few studies directly linked certain nutrient deficiencies to symptoms of depression. And here's the kicker. It's not just about what you're missing, it's about what you're adding. A diet high in ultra-processed foods and refined sugars causes two major problems: inflammation and gut dysbiosis, an imbalance in your gut bacteria. Your gut is often called the second brain for a reason. That's why another recent study showed women who ate around 9 servings of processed food a day were 50% more likely to have depressive symptoms than those who ate 4 or less. The takeaway: whole foods support your brain. Processed foods fight it. Now, before you start hyper-focusing on one single vitamin, the best dietary recommendation is simple: consistency and diversity. Don't binge on one thing. Instead, aim for 3 to 4 different nutrient-dense foods every single day. Make them part of your routine. Ready to build your happy brain grocery list? Let's dive into these foods that support better mental health. First up, the superstars, salmon and other fatty fish. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Omega-3s literally increase your feel-good chemicals, serotonin and dopamine. Next, the nutty duo, walnuts and pumpkin seeds. Walnuts provide omega-3s, zinc, and vitamin E. One study found that people eating a small handful daily had a 17% lower risk of depression. Pumpkin seeds are also zinc powerhouses, a mineral crucial for your nervous system. Time for the everyday heroes. Start your morning with a banana. They're loaded with vitamin C, which may be linked to lower depression risk, and potassium and magnesium for nerve health. Speaking of nerve health, avocados are a must. They give you omega-3s and a huge hit of magnesium. Studies show magnesium supplementation can improve both depression and anxiety symptoms, especially if you're stressed. If you're not eating your leafy greens like spinach and kale, your brain is missing out. They are packed with magnesium and B vitamins. And don't skip the sunny side up. Eggs are loaded with B vitamins and iron. Studies suggest weekly consumption can lower the risk of depressive symptoms in older adults. This one is huge. Yogurt with live and active cultures. Why? Because of the gut-brain axis. The healthy bacteria, or microbiota, in your gut communicate directly with your brain, positively impacting your mood, and yogurt has plenty of these. Don't forget your whole grains and legumes. Chickpeas give you B vitamins and magnesium, including vitamin B6, which helps regulate the mood neurotransmitter norepinephrine. Pair them with brown rice for zinc, B vitamins, and magnesium. Finally, lean proteins like chicken. They're a great source of iron and B vitamins, but most importantly, they contain tryptophan. Your body uses tryptophan to create that critical feel-good chemical, serotonin, which helps decrease depressive symptoms. So, there you have it. The science is clear. Your mental well-being is not separate from your plate. You have the power to influence your mood, energy, and alertness every single time you eat. Start simple. Pick 3 or 4 of these foods to incorporate into your meals today. What's your favorite mood-boosting food from this list? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this informative, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed tips on living your happiest, healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.